Go. All right. Let's do this.
Today's the day.
They can't see you. They can see your hips.
Fine.
Gotta
Just
get
do
down.
Just do it.
Hi. We're harvesting potatoes. We're trying anyways.
Whoa.
Oh, not. Ooh, I see a little one. Look at that little kitty.
It's a baby.
It's like a little pinochle.
Oh, let's hope I have more in there.
Yeah, this is kind of like scratching off a lottery ticket. You don't know what you're gonna get. So
First season planting Yukon Gold potatoes, so I'm hoping I'm digging for gold today.
digging for gold.
It's I can't remember, I'm not sure what day it is. I'm over 100 days for sure, but I'm within 110 days.
How do you want me to do this? Do you want me to just chuck the?
Just chuck everything in the bowl
Okay.
because
Look
we
at
don't
this
know what's
soil.
gonna be what.
Look at these little guys.
Oh gosh, they're so little.
They are teeny.
Oh no.
These are gourmet. All right, what do we got here? Really nice soil.
But we need to dump this out.
Well, hang on. Oh, look at the worms.
Oh, I got worms in there?
Oh yeah, you got worms in there.
Dope.
Oh, here we go.
We're getting better.
Well, there's a really small one. It's a pearl.
Oh god.
Is that a seed? That's a seed, huh?
Yeah. That's garbage.
Oh!
Ah, beauties.
Okay, those were just the little
Those
ones.
little ones must have been like brand new ones growing again.
Trying to. There's a seed.
Hey, we were supposed to chop these tops off so we could grab them.
Well, you can't grab them.
Remember?
Can't grab them if you chop them off.
Remember? No, you chop it off here and then there's a handle.
There you go. There's still a handle. Oh man. Okay, I just felt a bunch of potatoes come off of there.
Oh my god, you guys, look at this.
Wow.
Look at this potato. I'm so excited!
Oh yeah? Look at this potato.
Whoa.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, this is worth it.
It's kind of fun actually. You know, like you have no idea what might be in here or not. Oh.
These will be my new potato babies. You can't call them fingerling because they're not long enough.
And ask yourself, when was the last time you got to have so much fun
Ah,
playing in the dirt?
worms.
Yeah, good worms.
Worms are good, guys.
All right. Look deeper.
Yeah.
Okay, grab this one. Uh-huh.
I'm not coming out with it.
Oh, that's a honker. Oh, yeah, we got positive here. All right, we got little pearls. A little medium one. Oh yeah, all kinds. Yeah.
Nice one.
Oh, so cool. Now we can just cook these up right away, right?
We're supposed to let them dry out for a couple weeks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let the skins like mature or harden or something.
Cure, they call it.
Cure.
Cure.
All right. Cure for the soft
Let's
skin.
save these babies.
Is that our dog? That's our dog.
It is for sure our dog.
She's probably
Our guard
barking at
dog.
the neighbor or anybody that walks by. Ooh, I see more. It's all right. We'll just pull them out.
Trying to jump it out.
This is more controlled this way. You just kind of like.
I don't know about that.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. Cuties, little ones.
The dirt even smells like potatoes.
What does it taste like?
Taste it and let me know.
It's your job.
No.
Oh, there's another seed. See these little.
Yuck.
That's a seed potato.
That's how it started.
Well, didn't look quite that weird, but.
No. This soil is really, really wet. So.
Is it supposed to be?
You have to be careful. You don't want it too wet because then they can rot. Which, I mean, they didn't rot, but.
I'd say we hit the nail on the head because it's been hot.
All in all, it had good water.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
And there's good worms, so.
Good worms is good.
I think we might have got them all.
Well,
Not quite 5 pounds.
no. Slightly disappointing because we didn't get a huge harvest. I was expecting a much bigger harvest because my container is so large. But I'm happy that it gave me anything. And it was my first time. And since we're in the desert, we have opportunity to do 2 growing seasons instead of 1 since we don't get cold. Our cold season is shorter. So I will be turning this dirt over and planting some more seed potatoes for a fall crop.
All right.
Wow, that's a lot of dirt.
Yeah, and didn't look like it from inside the container, but yeah. Oh, this reminds me of a Monty Python scene. Those of you who are Monty Python fans will know what I'm talking about. And laugh
My harvest.
silently.
I might have 5 pounds. Some of these potatoes in here are so big. I might have 5 pounds.
You might have 5 pounds.
I might.
Gotta pull
We'll
out
weigh
the
it
scale.
and see.
I've got dirty hands. I know that for sure. Awesome.
Should have put your gloves on.
Nah, this will wash off.